Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm gonna look at ICP, the USD pairing, and the Bitcoin pairing. So the reason why I'm gonna look at ICP is because it looks like ICP wants to break out of the $15 level in the next coming weeks. I believe it can break out either next week or the first week of April, and then head to $22 in middle April. Obviously, I could be wrong. This is just a prediction. Um, I'm just playing with the likelihood that it will break. It can always reverse, and it might even take longer and if it does break out, it might even take longer to hit $22. Like it might hit $22 in the summer. But for now, the characteristic of ICP in the chart looks extremely bullish. It's forming higher highs and higher lows, and it's also formed this reaccumulation, like consolidation pattern for like a couple months now, and it came down to test this 21 weekly EMA, which is this blue line you see here, and price perfectly bounced off it, and it will now test the $15 level. And if price breaks this, $22. And on a daily, we can see that ICP bounced off this white line that was resistance here, support here, support here, support, and a perfect touch of support here. It came down, it bounced heavily, and it also used this gray line support. So basically, this $11 range was a really strong time to buy in, and I still think it's still a decent time to buy. If you think about the long-term picture, it's a great time to buy. You can still get a 10x at least, in my opinion. Obviously, I could be wrong, but I do think you can at least get a 10x still. And the market's the chart looks like it just wants to go up, right? And the crypto, this chart looks like it's gonna form like a U-shaped pattern, like most charts in crypto. Usually, charts in crypto, coins in crypto, they usually form like this U-shape recovery slash pattern, and I'm sort of seeing that with ICP right now. And eventually, once Bitcoin hit 100k or even surpass 100k to 150k, I can see ICP hitting like crazy levels in the year 2025. I see this or even all the way up here as the peak. And then once ICP hit around this range, then it starts becoming quite scary to be a bull here. So once ICP hit this range, maybe it's best to start levering out. Um, Again, this is not financial advice, but I would start levering out around this range and start becoming bearish. But right now, you have to remain a bull. The price still hasn't, still in reaccumulation, still gonna keep going up. Just because it went up already doesn't mean it won't keep going up, right? Just because, and the same thing back here, just because it went down already doesn't mean it can't keep going down. So yeah, that is the dollar chart, and now let's look at the Bitcoin pairing. So I think, okay, look at these ads, man. Look at these ads. But the Bitcoin pairing, right? So the Bitcoin pairing, so ICP on the weekly bounced off this orange line beautifully, and it's gonna try to retest the 2K range, or the gray line, which is at 2400 right now. And if ICP can break this gray line with like strong movements and hold up here, then that's extremely bullish, and I do think $100 is gonna come. And also, you look at the monthly, you can see ICP pump to this 21 EMA on the monthly, got rejected, came down to the 618 Fibonacci level, and it's bouncing right now. We're gonna have to see what happened, but I think my bias is to the upside. I think ICP can break this, and if it does break this, the sky's it's gonna go crazy, and price is just gonna start going parabolic. But it needs to break this, it needs to hold, it needs to bounce, and it just needs to start shooting. That's all. Goodbye.